What's good, family? These are 3 stocks that I'd buy right now if I had $1,000 and I was building out my portfolio. Listen, these 3 stocks I'm about to mention to you right now, if you truly want to turn $1,000 into some wealth, if you want to turn whatever money you have now into consistent wealth or powerful portfolio, if you want to I don't know where to start that trap, I'm telling you these 3 stocks that I'm gonna mention today, man, I've owned them, I own them, right? And I have no problem with saying I will buy them. If I know where to start, I will buy them right now, y'all. Listen, it's your Wall Street Trapper. My goal is to help you build wealth in this market. I brung out the notebook, man, right? I got some gems up in here, right? And I'm going to share some with y'all today. I'm going to share 3 stocks with y'all today. One of them you really, really know of. I can promise the other 2 you may know of. One of them for sure, you're going to be like, yo, I never even thought of that. But that's the goal, y'all. So lock in, get your pen, get your pad, man. I want you to think long term, but I also want you to tell me in the comment what you think about this, right? So for me, the goal is to help you understand what it takes to be build out a strong, profitable portfolio, right? And one of the things I do is I get the guessing out the game. I don't listen to the news and I don't listen to people. I like to do a lot of research and homework. And I like to look at 5-year, 10-year, right? It's kind of like when I first bought one of the stocks on here. I bought it when it was $57. I remember mentioning it to people about 2-3 years ago, and it was like, what? And now the stock is over $300, and people are just like, yo, this is crazy, right? And so that's the power of this market, right? I want you to think long term here. But when I say long term, I'm not talking 20 years, right? I'm talking 3 years, 5 years down the line, because every stock that you own, 100% should earn a place in your portfolio, right? So before we get into all that, man, listen, like and share this. You know what I'm saying? Tell somebody about this. Get your pen and pad and come back to this one, right? So the first one I'm gonna start off with, and I bring my pen and my pad so you can see this. Y'all all know this one. It's super hot, right? It's the Palantir stock. I think that this stock is 100% the NVIDIA of 2022, right? So when I did the research on this stock, right, it's not only a dominant player in this space, which is a growing space, which is the AI data analytics space. This is a big space to be in. It's a new space. They literally have 0 competition. What I love the best about them is they have 0 debt, right? Not only that, but they doing work with the FBI, the CIA, and Department of Defense. They are by themselves right now, right? The stock is currently about $101 at the time of this taping. Not only that, it is a rapidly growing industry, and they literally have zero. You know what? I think I'm gonna go put 100,000 in it. I think I'm gonna go put 100,000 in it, y'all. I was trying to do that. I think I'm gonna go put 100,000 in it, y'all. I mean, why not? You know what I'm saying? But the company has 0 debt, and I always say if a company has 0 debt, it's really hard for it to fail, which is why I love Facebook the way I do. The company don't have no debt. What are we talking about here, right? But not only that, right, machine learning, which is huge. And again, this is in my notes because I want to make sure I highlight some of these points for y'all. Machine learning, which is going to help the AI and help the machines and help, they by themselves, y'all. And I'm telling you, again, I'm like y'all, I didn't get it when it was $7, but when the stock got added to the S&P 500, I told my trappers last year on Trapping Tools, I think it was episode 118 or something, I said, hey, it's on the S&P 500 now, watch it. 2 earnings later, the company's going crazy. I'm telling you, this is NVIDIA 2022, y'all. Y'all see what it did 2023, 2024. Get on it. Don't miss it. I know you love it. Watch this. The next stock on, watch this. Oh, and in 3 years, in 5 years, the stock is up 943%. 5 years, the stock is up 943%. That is insane. That is insane. Now watch this. When I say this NVIDIA 2022, in 10 years, NVIDIA is up 2,000 something percent. I mean, 5 years. I'm trying to just tell y'all, yo, It's right in front of you. Right now it's $101. By the time you get the video, it'll come out maybe 104, 105. Listen, you blow that all the time. All right, let me go a little further. Next on my list is one, Crowdstrike. This is a cybersecurity stock. Now, when this stock was $57, I was on another platform and I said, hey, I love this stock. People was like, what? Listen, as we go into technology, you're going to need more and more cybersecurity. They are not the biggest player in the game, but they are a big player in the game. A big player in the game, and you do not want, listen to me well, you do not want, you don't have a company like CrowdStrike, their customers don't leave them. So when I'm looking at the research on them, listen, they're not only a dominant player in the game, they have the subscription model, which is good, but watch this. Their customer retention rate is 97%. Meaning, once they get in a system, once they get in the company don't leave. And let me tell you what really cemented this for me. Last year, they had a cyber attack. I was in an options play. Bro, the stock plummeted. I said, hey, they gonna fix that. I got some options in it at the low. Yo, I think we got a 300% on those contracts, right? But guess what? None of their customers left them. Everybody stayed with them. Of course, they probably gave them some type of, reward or some type of incentive for staying, but nobody left. That is signs of a great company. You know why? That's a moat. What is that? That means a company will rather see you through the situation and work with you through it. And then they came out with earnings and they did amazing. I said, yeah, this is one of them ones right here that we got to hold on to for sure. So definitely CrowdStrike family, you got to love it. But watch this. I'm going to give you some mathematics right here. Not only do they have a high revenue return, right? They've posted double-digit revenue. The subscription rate has gone up. They're also bringing AI to help them identify the threats before they happen. High customer retention, but also they have a through-the-roof free cash flow. Meaning, after they pay their bills and all that, they got millions and hundreds of millions of dollars. Now, crazy part is they're not even as big as Palo Alto, right? They wanted us, but they are. Come on, y'all. I know y'all thought I was gonna say Apple and Microsoft and no. I won't put you in some of them big dogs that got the potential. I'm telling you, 5 years, you won't turn that money into something? You won't retire? Now watch this. This is gonna be the sleeper for y'all. Oh, also, let me write this down for you. In 5 years, 567% return. This ain't me. Listen, this is the stats. In 5 years, you know what that means? We in 2025. Guess what? Pandemic. Investing in, this one was $7 in the pandemic. That's crazy. I'm not gonna act like I was on this one, but this one I've been on. Pandemic. Come on, y'all. Now watch this one. I'm gonna blow you away. BJ's. BJ's Wholesale, right? So it's the Costco, it's the Sam's, smaller type of business, right? But watch this. Not only do they have the membership model, not only do they have a high retention rate, another one, 96% retention rate with their consumers. Watch this. They've increased their digital footprint. Here's what I wrote out, right? Last year in 2024, they built 12 new stores, 15 more with gas stations, which give them a total of now 250 stores in 21 states. So they competing with Costco. They competing with Sam's. Right now, I think they Midwest, East Coast, right? Watch this. They also have private label, which is called Wesley Farms, right? Which also, because of their own, it also increases their what? Profit margins, right? They don't pay a dividend right now because they're still in growth mode, which is good. What I love about this is, watch this. We go into a recession, we go into one of those things, still good. I want you to understand what I just gave you with these three companies. All of them recession-proof. Why? Even in the recession, we still need what? Cybersecurity. We're in the AI space. Even in the recession, we still need what? That AI data analytics, because every company is using it. Who else using it more? The FBI, the CIA, the Department of Defense, which now puts Lockheed Martin, Raytheon, put all them under pressure. But also, if we go in a recession, yep, some people gonna go to Sam's, some people gonna go to that, and guess what? The other people go in the 21 states they in. They're gonna go to BJ's, because they're gonna get the wholesale. They're gonna go to BJ's. I'm trying to tell you, BJ's, watch this. In 5 years, guess what they gave us? In 5 years, guess what they gave us? 373% rate of return. That's more than 100. That means on average, they're giving us more than a 25% return a year. They're at least giving us 65% a year. This is a wholesale store, y'all. So listen, if you want to learn how, but I need you to think long term here. These companies have, I wrote this down, these companies have high revenue, high growth, and they're positioned for the future, y'all. All of them, high revenue, high growth, all of them positioned for the future. All of them are growing, man. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Listen, man, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Tell me what you think about this video. Tell me if you want more videos like these. I do a lot of research. I do a lot of homework. Definitely come check out my groups, Trappers Anonymous. Definitely come check out my Patreon. Is where I put our option plays at. We made $6 million last year, man. I'm so excited about that. All right, check out our show, Trapping Tuesday. Come on each and every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Listen, man, take a pen, take a pad, shut this out, man. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper, man. I love y'all. Salute.